To quickly view the first message in a conversation on Instagram without scrolling, you can use the side slider, also known as the fast scroll feature, that's help you jump to the top of the chat within a second. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and simply log into your account and go to your direct messages. Now tap on the conversation you want to open. Now in the message thread, you can see there is a slider option available there. You should see a side slider appear that helps you scroll faster. Now all you have to do is tap and hold the screen and drag your finger along the right edge of the screen. Now slide your finger up or down to quickly move through the messages, and this will help you move back to the first message without having to scroll manually through the entire chat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.